Have you ever imagined effortlessly earning money just by downloading apps? Well, today is the day your dreams become reality. Whether you're a student looking for extra income, a part-time worker wanting to increase earnings, or someone who enjoys exploring various applications, this video is perfect for you. Imagine this, seizing the chance to earn an average of $70 for every app you download. Yes, $70 per app. The more apps you download, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Don't miss out on the opportunity to use your smartphone to make money. Now, to get started, you'll need to go to either the Google Play Store or, if you're using an iPhone, the Apple App Store. Both platforms offer a wide range of apps. For demonstration purposes, I'll focus on the Google Play Store. I'll guide you through finding apps that make money effortlessly on your smartphone. Let's start by introducing our first app, Uprock AI. This recently released application boasts an impressive 4.9 star rating and has already amassed over 100,000 downloads, a noteworthy achievement by any standard. I predict it won't be long before this app reaches the 1 million download milestone. To get started, simply download and install the app, and I'll take you on a guided tour of its features. As described on our website, Uprock AI strives to harness the power of AI to benefit you by allowing you to share your internet and earn passive income. It serves as the pioneering people-powered AI daily network, offering real-time and comprehensive insights for content creators, brands, and enterprises. Be assured, this app is completely safe to use. It introduces an innovative concept where you can install the app and effortlessly begin earning. The process is simple, with the website providing a comprehensive, step-by-step installation guide for utmost user-friendliness. Once installed, you'll earn whenever the app is active on your phone. While it may not offer the highest payout available, it certainly provides a lucrative avenue to kickstart your earning journey. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of an innovative app called GoodDollar. Aptly named for its goal to distribute universal basic income, UBI, in the form of cryptocurrencies. This groundbreaking app serves not only those experiencing financial difficulties but also individuals looking for an additional source of income. The distinguishing feature of GoodDollar lies in its ability to unite the cryptocurrency community while providing support through free earnings. Upon visiting their website, you'll encounter a compelling message. Providing free money as a public good unlocks human potential through digital universal basic income. The platform showcases a remarkable track record, having onboarded 640,000 individuals and facilitating $6 million in transactions, with an impressive money multiplier of 13 times. Isn't that intriguing? To delve into the potential advantages and consider participating in this digital universal basic income initiative, you can effortlessly register and become involved in this transformative endeavor. Despite its current download count of 100,000, GoodDollar has already garnered an impressive 4.3 star rating out of 5, signifying its user-friendly interface and favorable reception. The potential for widespread adoption seems bright, thanks to its distinctive approach to financial inclusivity. As more people uncover the benefits of GoodDollar, its user base is primed to soar into the millions. Seize this opportunity to embark on a journey into the realm where universal basic income converges with the digital sphere. This wraps up our exploration of the second app on this captivating journey toward easy and ethical earnings. Stay tuned as I reveal the highest paying app towards the end of this video. Pause for a moment. Have you been enjoying this video thus far? If your answer is yes, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Simply click the subscribe button and hit the bell to receive notifications for our future uploads. Now, let's resume the video. Let's delve into the intriguing world of our third highlighted application, Traf Monetizer. This app brings a unique aspect to online earning by utilizing your internet connection. Upon visiting their website, we come across an engaging slogan: share your internet connection and earn money online. The premise of Traf Monetizer mirrors that of our first app, but with the appeal of potentially higher payouts. At the core of Traf Monetizer is a fundamental question: why would we compensate you for your traffic? The answer lies in the significant demand from multiple marketing and advertising agencies actively seeking customer visits, website traffic, and additional internet bandwidth. This innovative approach harnesses the vast potential of the approximately 92% of unused bandwidth that many individuals possess. Users have the chance to earn an average of $29 for each connected device, presenting a compelling opportunity. With a user base of 350,000 individuals and an impressive 4.1 star rating, the proposition is quite enticing. Traf Monetizer has gained significant popularity, with an impressive 1 million downloads. This surge in downloads highlights its effectiveness and appeal to users, solidifying its position as a valuable addition to your collection of internet sharing applications. In the ever-evolving landscape of passive income opportunities, diversity is key. Therefore, integrating multiple internet sharing apps on your device, including Traf Monetizer, allows you to tap into collective potential and maximize your earnings concurrently. Now, let's turn our attention to our fourth recommendation, CashRaven. Here, we venture into yet another opportunity to generate passive income by sharing your internet connection. The reasoning behind acquiring a range of these apps becomes clear. Each may provide unique benefits, and having a diverse selection amplifies your potential earnings. Similar to its counterparts, CashRaven emphasizes the significance of safety controls during installation to guarantee a secure and reliable user experience. Upon analyzing their earning structure, it becomes evident that the greater the number of devices you have in operation, the higher your potential income. This application offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the monitoring and control of shared data, promoting a secure and effective earning environment. According to their data sharing metrics, utilizing 33 gigabytes per day could potentially earn around $100 per device. The versatility of this model also extends to inviting friends and family, including parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, thus forming a network of shared devices that collectively contribute to your earnings. Essentially, this concise yet thorough video serves as a time-saving guide, offering you a curated selection of apps capable of turning your idle time into a lucrative venture. By strategically integrating these internet sharing apps, not only can you maximize your earnings, but you can also streamline the process, eliminating the need to search independently for opportunities. Now, let's explore the last app in our lineup, the one I've been eagerly waiting to introduce. Allow me to present to you Make Money Play and Earn Cash, operating under the name Mode Mobile, with the motto, turning the smartphone into the earn phone. This app has an outstanding track record, having distributed over $150 million to users and garnered over 2 million 5-star reviews on the Google Play Store. Remarkably, it has attracted $40 million in investments from around the world. What distinguishes this app is its versatility in earning opportunities. Users have the potential to earn up to $1,200 annually by simply listening to music, playing games, and more. The cash-out options are flexible, ranging from bank transfers and PayPal to cryptocurrency and popular gift cards such as Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Beginning your journey is effortless. Just download the app and join the platform. With its legitimacy and user-friendly interface, Make Money Play and Earn Cash emerges as a standout among the showcased apps. It stands as a premier choice for individuals seeking a hassle-free and reliable method to boost their income effortlessly. In essence, this app simplifies and enriches the process of transforming your smartphone into a valuable source of earnings. And that concludes our session for today. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.